Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southern Fairfield County, north central Hocking County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Lancaster, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Bremen, Hideaway Hills, Royalton, Amanda, Sugar Grove, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, North Bern, and Hideaway Hills. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect until early Wednesday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? South Fork Licking River near I-70 near Buckeye Lake. When? Until early Wednesday morning. Impacts. At 880.0 feet, water extends onto the 129 exit ramp from eastbound Interstate 70 to Route 79 near Buckeye Lake. Additional details. At 6:45 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 879.8 feet. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 880.0 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage overnight. Flood stage is 880.0 feet. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Canal Winchester, or 8 miles west of Lancaster, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Lexington, Somerset, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, Thornville, Junction City, and Glenford. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Licking County until 8:30 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Harbor Hills, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Grahamville, Hanover, Martin, Harbor Hills, Gratiot, Toboso, Interstate 70 at State Route 13, and Brownsville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 130 and 142, and near mile marker 144. National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Coshocton County, Muskingum County, until 9 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harbor Hills to near Thornport to near Pleasantville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles. Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Zanesville, New Concord, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frieseinsburg, Philo, Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Gratiot, Fultonham, Norwich, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Duncan Falls, East Fultonham, Otsego, Drake, and Dillon State Park. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.